In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare Verify You Are Human. If you're getting stuck on that verification screen or it keeps looping, these quick checks usually clear it up and get you back to the site fast. Start with the simplest fix: refresh the page. A clean reload often resolves a temporary hiccup or a stale script, and it's the easiest way to trigger Cloudflare to run the check again with a fresh request. If the prompt keeps appearing, open your browser's menu, the three dots in the top corner, and move to your extensions. Then open the Manage Extensions view. Cloudflare relies on certain scripts and signals to verify legitimate traffic, and privacy tools can sometimes block those. On the extensions page, temporarily disable content blockers and privacy tools like uBlock or AdBlock, Privacy Badger, NoScript, and Ghostery. If you use a VPN extension, turn it off for a moment as well. This doesn't uninstall anything, it just pauses them so the page can load the verification elements properly. You can re-enable them after the site loads. Next, go back to the browser menu and choose the option to delete browsing data. This clears out cookies and cached files that might be confusing the verification process. In the dialog, switch to the more detailed view so you can control what's being removed and set the time range to all time. Make sure the key items that store site state, like cookies and cached images and files, are included, then proceed. Be aware that clearing this data can sign you out of sites and reset preferences, which is normal. The advantage is that your next visit to the page starts from a clean slate, which helps Cloudflare run a fresh, uncorrupted check. After that cleanup, confirm the deletion and let the browser finish. With the cache and cookies cleared and potentially conflicting extensions paused, the page should be able to complete the Verify You Are Human step without getting stuck. If you manage the website that's showing the verification issue, you can also head to your Cloudflare dashboard and select the specific domain that's affected. Focusing on the exact domain helps ensure any review or adjustments you make are applied to the correct place. Even if you don't change settings, opening the domain view is useful to confirm you're looking at the right property while you test from your browser. That's it. Refresh the page, pause interfering extensions, clear your browsing data for all time, and if you're the site owner, zero in on the affected domain in your dashboard. Follow these steps and you should be past the verification screen and back to browsing.